Imagine a world where nearly 300 million people are walking around with an invisible weight on their shoulders. That's the reality of depression, a mental health disorder that the World Health Organization estimates affects nearly 300 million people globally. This isn't a minor case of the blues or a fleeting feeling of sadness. Depression is a persistent problem that can affect every aspect of a person's life. Mental health experts describe depression as a mood disorder characterized by feelings of intense sadness, loss, anger, or frustration that interfere with everyday life for weeks or more. It's not just an emotional state. It's a complex health condition with various physical, behavioral, and emotional symptoms. Physically, people with depression may experience constant tiredness, sleep problems, and changes in appetite. Behaviorally, they might struggle with concentration, find little pleasure in activities they once enjoyed, or exhibit restlessness. Emotionally, they could be dealing with persistent feelings of sadness, anxiety, guilt, or thoughts of death or suicide. Depression is a serious issue that can lead to a range of complications if left untreated. These complications include physical health problems, difficulties in relationships and at work, and in severe cases, suicide. However, depression is not a life sentence. Mental health professionals emphasize the importance of seeking help when symptoms begin to interfere with one's quality of life. There are various effective treatments for depression, including psychotherapy, medication, and lifestyle changes. Psychotherapy, or talk therapy, helps individuals understand and manage their symptoms. Cognitive behavioral therapy, for instance, teaches people to challenge negative thought patterns and replace them with more positive ones. Medication, such as antidepressants, can also be beneficial. Lifestyle changes, like regular exercise, a healthy diet, and adequate sleep, can also play a key role in managing depression. Stresses the importance of recognizing depression as a legitimate health issue. Depression is a real illness. It's not a sign of weakness or something that can be overcome with willpower alone. It's important to seek help and not suffer in silence. In summary, depression is a widespread, serious mental health disorder characterized by persistent feelings of sadness. It can lead to significant complications, including physical health problems and difficulties in daily life. However, with the right help and treatment, it's entirely possible to manage depression and lead a fulfilling life. Depression is not a sign of weakness. It's an illness that requires medical attention and care. If you or someone you know is struggling with depression, it's crucial to reach out to a health professional and explore the available treatment options. Remember, there's no shame in seeking help. In fact, it's the bravest thing one can do. This is not just a conversation, it's a call to action. It's time to lift the veil on depression and start treating mental health with the seriousness it deserves.